in detail. The Election Commission of India is expected to conduct a by-election for the Gambegre Assembly seat in November or December. Chief Electoral Officer BDR Tiwari confirmed that the election follows the resignation of sitting Congress MLA Saleng Sangma after his Lok Sabha election. The by-poll will be held within 6 months of the vacancy.
The schedule will be announced by Honorable Election Commission of India. It should be held within 6 months. There is no suggestion from the industry. It is decided by the PCI. So all the needful things we are ready once the Election Commission will announce the date and all the needful.
When you expect in November, December is the festival time.
Once this schedule will be announced by Commission, I already told, so we will go ahead.
As of October 8, 2024,